Hello Internet, Parag Dhawan here. In this video, we will see how to create data frame from dictionary of series. As you know, the keys of the dictionary will act as column labels. So 1 and 2 will act as column labels. If you don't provide index keyword argument, then the row labels will be by default starting from 0, 1, 2, and so on. In this case, while creating a Pandas series, we have provided row labels A, B, C. So if you create a data frame from this series, then the row labels will be acting as A, B, C, which are provided in the series index. So the first key value pair is 1 and the values of that column is 1, 2, 3. Row label is 1 and column labels are A, B, C. The second series, column label is 2 and row labels are A, B, C, D. Values are 1, 2, 3, 4. When you create a data frame from this dictionary of series, you will have row labels as A, B, C, and D, and column labels as 1 and 2. The entries which are not present in the series will be treated as null. For example, row label D was not present in the first series. Therefore, for that row label in the data frame, you will have a NaN entry. Click on the cell and run the cell. You can see your column labels are 1 and 2 and row labels are A, B, C, D. For the first series, you don't have D as a row label. Therefore, the value for the row label was NaN. That's it for this video. Thank you. Thanks for watching. Do hit that subscribe button for more such technical content. See you in the next video.